I even do with it? I'm like, yeah, I can make a simple elastic long skirt with it. So what do you need? You need your material. Where's my elastic? Sure. Where's my elastic went on a journey. Yo, let's get our elastic. Come on for road. You're all right. Okay. So you're gonna need your material, your elastic. So fortunately, my material is just at my exact. So, and you're gonna need tape rule. You're gonna need tape rule to measure. You're gonna need scissors. This is not the scissors I need to cut. You need the tailoring scissors, the big one. Tape rule. There's what we call, oh my God, there's what we call tailor's chalk. I use it to line this elastic. So what else do I need? You're gonna need safety pin to pass your elastic through. So first thing you want to do is get your measurement right. How you're doing today. So get your measurement to your waist. So when you get to your waist measurement, then you measure your material, just in case you don't have your exact material of what you want to use. This material is so, you see how it's a shake? As I know, I got to sew me a long skirt with this. Elastic simple skirt. So if you measure your weight, if it's 20, you times it, make it 40, because you know the skirt is going to go around your waist. So you need double the waist. And then you measure the length of your skirt. So fortunately, me, I like long skirt. So this is just good for me. I don't need to measure anything. It's just perfect. So let's start sewing. So so the first thing we want to do is, y'all see me? We want to sew the place where the elastic will go through. You see that? So I'm going to fold it. Like, give it like an inch. You want to measure, you want to be very sure of your measurement. Just measure. It's okay. You see? I didn't even have to measure. My tailoring skill, don't they get? You fold it once, you fold it twice. I like to fold it twice. See? You fold it twice. You fold it once and you fold it twice. And then, of course, you know we have, I don't know what tailors call this, but we call it pin. You can call it tailoring pin too. So, it's very simple. It's like the simplest skirt you can make. So I'm going to use the pin because this material is kind of dancey material. I want to make sure that, you know, it is all right. And bend it. So before I go ahead with the machine, so you can make, anybody can make in fact, you can actually, you know, sew it with your hands too. You can actually sew this skirt with your hand. Believe you ripples. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Once you get your table, you get your, you know, yo, did you see Jarvis after party club? Vicky James. Vicky James and Prudential. Where's Prudential from, Seth? I don't know. But Vicky James and the wedding gown was superb. Superb. Kilo je Pella my Peking. Pella wanted everything to bling bling. He wants shine bobo. Pella wanted the wife to, he was very intentional in the kind of guy he wanted the wife to wear. So that was good that he was actually involved. Of course, because he paid for it. So he had to be involved in how the gown had to look. He wanted the veil to be shine. And I love the fact that the train had JP on it. I was like, okay, this kind of gown said, you must have spent a lot of money, but you know, me, I don't just believe in that. Why? Because now you bought custom and then that's the end of the gown. Are they gonna put it in museum? Only come museum? I don't know. Just wasting of money, but you know, what I cannot say, once you had the money and he did something that was very fantastic, very, in fact, if Pella just catch my heart, this in wedding, you see what he did? Do you see what he did? I think I posted it. The money that they spray him, Pella went and took the dollars inside and gave to his mother-in-law, gave to his father-in-law, gave to his mom. And I love the fact that he showered the mom. I showered the mom well. I said, oh, Habib, ọmọ tó rántí ìyá ẹ̀. He said, when the blessing come upon that boy, people will not understand. People will not understand why the blessing come upon me. Blessings upon blessing. Okay, that is it. See? So I pinned it in place. It's time to sew. So he went and took the dollar that they sprayed him and Jarvis and gave to his parents and the parents-in-law. I say respect to those young people. That boy gets sense. That boy gets sense. I'm telling you, I have never seen that in my life. Some people say, some others, when they do birthday and they spray them, they cannot even share the money with their wives. Jesus is Lord. You're ready to sew? So, you're ready? Very simple. Like I said, you can actually sew this skirt with needle and thread. You can sew this skirt with needle and thread. All right, let's go. You see, I've already pinned it in place. So we're making a simple straight waistband skirt. Waistband skirt. Give me. After wear and go Pella wedding. After wear and go Pella wedding. The hour, okay. Okay. I think this material gets Costco for head. I think because of the kind of material. But we're making it through. And so, come on now. It's getting caught in the way. Because of all those. Come on. Answer me when I call you, baby. What's wrong with you? There you go. Getting caught. What's the noise? What are you talking about? Yeah, it's getting caught because of that. This thing is getting... How else am I going to sew it now? How else am I going to sew you, baby? My baby. Yeah, let's go. We're almost done. You know why I like this material? I don't have to hem it. So if your material you have to hem it, let's say it's Ankara, so you have to hem the Ankara in the bottom. If you want to. There's some Ankara that have. There you see? We're on our way to making our simple elastic skirt. We're almost there. See what is left to sew. And then we'll just... We're almost there. So welcome, my people. Do something. Sew your skirt. A simple elastic skirt. So if you have a material hanging sitting around your house, you have one Ankara that you don't know, one wrapper Ankara, you don't know what to do with it. You know, you can make a straight skirt with it. Elastic straight skirt. We'll try this summertime. All right. And we're almost there. Okay. Done. What are we going to do next? Do you know? Guess. What are you going to do next? What are we going to do next? Okay. So our next thing will be to, you see this? So now you're going to join this side together. So make sure this is your inside. This is the outside. This is my outside. This is my outside, right? So when you want to sew it, you turn it and you make the outside face each other. And then we sew. And when you begin to sew, remember this place I will put the elastic. Don't sew there yet too. Don't sew there yet. So you're going to sew before there, or you can start sewing from the bottom too. See what I talk about, my I don't need to hem this, you see, because let me show you why I don't need to hem it. You see that I don't need to hem this because I want that to be dancing around. So we now take it and we sew it. It's as simple as that. Oh, we sew it. Once we sew it, you put the elastic in, and voila, your skirt is ready. How are you? Hey, I see you at Patrick, Seraphine, 7002. I see you at Husman. Yeah, so we're making a simple straight elastic skirt. But guess what? I have to replace my... See what's happening? See what's happen. Lala. We are going to have to what happened? Why is he stuck? Yeah, don't be playing with me. Don't play with me. Okay. Okay. So, give me a second. Let's thread this uncle. This uncle needs a threading. Yeah, because of the material. There you go. Because of the material, we have to do... So I can imagine all these tailors when they have to work with serious materials like this. I gotta call it up. I gotta call it up. You see, when I have serious business, they are come. You go by there. You come here. Because I need... Okay. Let's see if we can call that baby up. She tailor is you. Okay. Let's see if it will answer us. Anyway, guys, welcome with me as we sew this simple... I think it will be easier on this side to sew on this side because all those drama is not there. Too much drama. Okay. All right. So I'm going to sew right here. Let me see. Okay. You ready? Let us sew. Okay. Make sure you align it together. It's sewing a simple elastic skirt. I'm excited. Okay. Tailor go lower me. Tailor go lower me. So I was saying, you know, do something that will make somebody happy today. If you see Javi's mother and Javi's no Javi's mother, yeah, she was laughing, she was excited. Nobody has seen that. I've never seen that before. Where somebody spray you money for party. We're not talking about $10. No, he took the bundle of dollars and gave to his mother, to his father, to his mother-in-law, to his father-in-law. The Bible says that honor your father and your mother if you want to live long in the land where the Lord has given to you. So that marriage is already starting on a very good state because the boy honored his father and mother, honored both parents. I was going to send that video to my children. When you marry and they are spraying you money, what are you going to do with it? Okay, so you see, so when we sew, make sure you don't sew the place where you are going to put the elastic. Okay, here we go. So done. See my skirt, it's dancing. So we're going to now put the elastic. You see that? How do you thread in the elastic? Some people have elastic threader, but I have safety pin. So I use my big safety pin, the big one, to thread in the elastic. So what I will do, see that? I'm going to attach this safety pin. So where can you get elastic? You can get it at Walmart. I think I got it from Walmart. Like that. See? And you thread it through. Or if you want, you can get the what do they call it? Let me take the pins out so I can work. So that's why I did 1 inch because of my elastic. If you want, you can do the small one. If you have the small elastic, I have the small elastic too, but I choose to do the big one because the big one is what is black. The small one is white, and I didn't want white. Or maybe we should use white. What you think? What you think? We should use the white one. Yeah. Should we use the white one? That's it all. Our elastic skirt is ready. Ready to rock. What I say is ready. We are ready to rock it. I think I don't know what to do with this thing. I feel like I should. See? So just put your elastic in and you're ready. That's it. So do something that you've never done before. This is my first time of sewing an elastic skirt, and I think I did awesomely good. So if you turn it inside out, now I got my skirt. Ta-da! You like my skirt? You like my skirt? Yeah, I like my skirt too. I like my skirt.